Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we are going to make spicy rice cake, fish cake ramen. I came from a beach trip yesterday and I want something spicy with fish cake. So I want to cook this one today. And this ramen is anchovy soup based ramen. So anchovy goes well with this spicy rice cake ramen. So I will use this one. We need fish cake, green onions, some rice cakes, cabbages, the boiled eggs, red pepper powder, and honey. I'm going to use honey instead of sugar, soy sauce, and this is gochujang, Korean spicy red pepper paste. First of all, add 2 cups of water. And then add rice cake, green onions, and fish cakes. Then add soup base. Two tablespoons of red pepper powder, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, two tablespoons of honey. This dish is supposed to be spicy and sweet. Street food in South Korea. So I'm gonna add a lot of spices and honey. This is gochujang, Korean red pepper paste. Let me add just 1 spoon here. And then I'm gonna add cabbages. I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. When water is boiling, add ramen noodle. And then add boiled egg. Boiled eggs. The cabbages and veggies shrink their sizes, so you can add a lot of veggies if you want to.